Hello students, today we are going to solve a very interesting trigonometric exponential question. The question is how many solutions are there to the equation 2 to the power tan square x by 4 to the power sin square x is equal to 1 in the interval 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 2 pi. Now let's solve this step by step and understand the concept clearly. Okay, so students, first look carefully at the expression. We see base 2 in the numerator and base 4 in the denominator. Whenever different bases appear in exponential form, our first strategy is convert everything into the same base. And we know 4 is equal to 2 square. So, 4 to the power sin square x is equal to 2 square whole to the power sin square x. Okay, now using the power rule, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. We get what? We get 4 to the power sin square x is equal to 2 to the power 2 sin square x. Okay, now substitute into the original equation. So the equation becomes what? 2 to the power tan square x by 2 to the power 2 sin square x is equal to 1. Now use the exponent rule. A to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So we get what? 2 to the power tan square x minus 2 sin square x is equal to what? 1. Now remember an important concept. If a to the power k is equal to 1, then k is equal to 0. Here base is equal to what? 2, which is positive and not equal to 1. So tan square x minus 2 sin square x is equal to 0, or tan square x is equal to 2 sin square x. Now the problem has become a pure trigonometric equation, and we know tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. So tan square x is equal to sin square x by cos square x. Now substitute. Sin square x by cos square x is equal to 2 sin square x. Now multiply both sides by cos square x. So this becomes sin square x is equal to 2 sin square x cos square x. Now bring everything to one side. Then you will get sin square x minus 2 sin square x cos square x is equal to 0. Now factor out sin square x. So it becomes sin square x into 1 minus 2 cos square x is equal to 0. Now we solve using the zero product rule. Now for case 1, sin square x is equal to 0. This gives sin x is equal to 0. Now recall where the sign is 0 in 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 2 pi. X is equal to 0, pi, 2 pi. So we get 3 solution. Okay. Now let's go to the case 2. 1 minus 2 cos square x is equal to 0, or 2 cos square x is equal to 1, or cos square x is equal to 1 by 2. So cos x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. Now think of the unit circle. Cosine equals 1 by root 2 at x is equal to pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. Okay, so total 4 solutions here. Now count the total solution. From case 1 we get 3 solutions. From case 2 we got 4 solutions. So total 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 solutions. Okay, so final answer is number of solutions will be 7. Now students, remember this problem teaches 3 important ideas. First, always convert exponentials to the same base. Second, a to the power k is equal to 1 and a not equals to 1, then k is equal to 0. Now in trigonometry problems, reduce everything to sine and cosine and always count solutions carefully in the given interval. If you follow this method step by step, even difficult question become very easy. Okay, so I hope this solution is clear to you. If you have any kind of doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply back to you. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.